In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your phone number option is missing in Roblox. Now first you want to open up Roblox and head over to settings. Now if phone number right here is not here, then there's three different options. The first one could be that you didn't verify your age and it's under 13. If you verified your age and it's only 10, it will not be here. So make sure it's over 13 and verify it. The second one is if you chose your account location in a country that does not support having the phone number on Roblox. Now the last one is if you already used your phone number on a Roblox account that has been banned or terminated in some way. Now check for all of these three things, and if none of them apply to you, you can try and contact the Roblox support by going over to roblox.com/support and let them know that you cannot add a phone number. Now that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.